Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm completely refilming this clip because when I went to go edit my video, I realized I didn't have an intro and my intro clip got deleted, so now I have to refilm it and I'm a little frustrated. So in today's video, I am going to be making some DIY salt texture spray. So what that is you put it in your hair and it'll make it more texturized and like more kinky and curly and wavy depending on your hair type. Right now I have my hair in a bun, but I had it in waves because I braided my hair the night before using the texture spray. But my hair was like everywhere and all over the place, so I just decided to put it in a bun. So that's all I have to say right now. Let's get on to the video. To start off making the salt texture spray, you're going to need some sea salt. You could probably use regular table salt, but I definitely suggest using sea salt. I think it would probably be a little bit gentler on your hair. And you're going to want about a tablespoon of it, so I'm just going to kind of eyeball it and hope that it works out. Doesn't have to be exact, but I think that's about a tablespoon. So you're going to go ahead and add that right into your container. The next step is you're going to want to add some warm water to the spray bottle. Add warm water because it'll dissolve the salt better. And I make a mess. Just ignore that and we'll move on. Your next step is you're going to add a little bit of conditioner. Just a little bit. This will help keep your hair soft and help the salt from not drying it. Just a little bit. This last step is completely optional, but you can add some essential oils to your spray to make it just have a nice smell. I just added a little bit of eucalyptus, but you can use whatever scent you want. Last step is you're just going to screw it around and shake around your bottle until all the salt is dissolved and the conditioner is mixed in. And once everything is dissolved and mixed in, you're good to go. So that concludes today's video. I can say that this hair product was definitely a huge game changer for me. My hair is definitely the hair type that falls flat the moment you're done styling it. So I discovered the recipe for this product and I really use it like almost every day. I hope that you guys will try it out and tell me how it worked down in the comments. I put a lot of eucalyptus in there. So that's it for today's video again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will subscribe and don't forget to like. And that is it, guys. Sorry about the awful lighting. I'm gonna work on that.